guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fine Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my delicious pepper steaks with brown rice, okay? Let me show you what I have. Over here, as you can see, I have my steaks already cleaned up. Okay, what I did, I put some browning and with my marinades, okay? And I have my brown rice, okay? The family size, guys. This brown rice is very good. And also I have all my veggies, okay? And I have my marinades for my brown rice, garlic for my brown rice, and also parsley, okay? Now let's start cooking, guys. As you can see, I have my pot warming up. Okay, let me start with my beef. Okay, do that. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm not going to add my vegetables now because I don't want them to overcook. Okay, let me cover that up. What I'm going to do, let me put some, I'm going to add my thyme. Okay, my parsley. Okay, I'm going to let it boil for 5 minutes and then we'll come back. Okay, before that, I'm going to add some garlic salt. Okay, and some Italian seasoning. Okay, black pepper. Okay, and some onion powder. All right. Okay, let me give it a stir. Everything can mix in. Okay, now let me put the lid on. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with our rice. Okay, let me add my garlic. Okay guys, when I'm making my brown rice, guys, I like to add all my marinades, my garlic, and then because for flavor, because brown rice, guys, I like brown rice, but you gotta add some good tasty stuff in it, okay? So, yeah. Okay, now I'm going to add some parsley. Okay. Alright, let me let that cook, and when we come back, we'll check on our meat, okay? Okay guys, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some hot water, and then for my steaks, I'm going to add a little bit of browning, guys. Okay, just a little tiny bit, just okay, for more. See, okay, not too much. Okay, okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to chop up some fresh basil. Okay, for my steaks. I love the smells, guys. It smells so good. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to add 2 bay leaves. Okay, let me give it a stir. And then after that, I'm going to add some water, not too much, for my rice. Okay, the garlic's already cooking. Okay, now I'm adding some warm water, guys. Okay, that's enough. All right. Now, when we come back, we'll add some water on the sticks, okay? What I'm going to do for my rice now, I'm going to add a little bit of garlic salt because I'm not going to add any regular salt, guys. Okay, let me add black pepper. Okay, and onion powder, guys. Like I said, you gotta make your brown rice tasty, okay? Okay, I'm going to let my water boil. When we come back, we'll check on our sticks, okay? Come back. Okay, guys, now let's check on our sticks, okay? Okay, what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to add my vegetables, and also I'm going to add some bouillon, okay, and my steaks and my rice, okay? Okay, that's good for my rice, and then that's good for the steaks. 1 teaspoon of each, okay? Okay, what I'm going to do next, let me cover my water. I'm going to add my vegetables. Okay. I'm going to stir. Okay, now I'm going to just let everything cook, and then when we come back, we'll add our rice, okay? Come back. Okay, guys, now it's time to check on our food, okay? Now let's see what they're doing. Okay. The steak's already done, I guess, and the rice finished. Okay, now let me give it a taste. Let me see if I miss anything. Oh, guys, it's delicious. Very good, guys. It's very good. And the rice, let me see the rice. Very good. Guys, remember, when you're making your brown rice, always make sure you add a little thing in your rice to make it good, okay? Alright, when we come back, everything should be ready, okay? Come back. Okay, guys, now everything is ready. Now let me show you what I started, okay? I already fixed up my plate. Okay, you see that? Okay, what I'm going to do, now I'm just going to add this fresh parsley next to my rice. Okay, guys, that's it. There you have it. Okay? Alright, remember, guys, it's a very easy recipe. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click on the like button, okay? Give it a try and you're gonna love it, okay? Have a wonderful day. Enjoy. Bye.